Alright, here we have two carrier units at an under construct home. This one has an Emerson Copeland Scroll compressor. And then this one's running. This one is from 2018 and it looks like it's a 5-ton, 61,000 BTU. That's interesting. Yeah, that'd be a 5-ton. Oh. And they're 14 SEER. (2018) 5-ton as well. I do like that this one has the swept fan blades. So I would go inside and see if I could turn this one on and get it starting up, but I'm not sure if I can. So yeah, I guess over and out.